Are you tired of being broke and wondering how to turn your financial situation around? Well, have no fear because we're here to show you the best business to start if you're broke and have a little fun while doing it. Welcome to Income Roll. We talk self-improvement, finance, and a lot more. Number 1, get creative with your resources. Just because you're broke doesn't mean you don't have resources. Take inventory of what you do have, whether it's a car, a smartphone, or even just a laptop, and see how you can monetize it. For example, if you have a car, you can start a delivery service, or if you have a smartphone, you can start a photography business. Number 2, offer a service that people need. Even if you're broke, you have skills and talents that are valuable to others. Offer a service such as dog walking, cleaning, or even tutoring. By providing a service that is in demand, you can quickly start generating income. Number 3, start a side hustle. Have a look around and see what small businesses are in high demand in your area and consider starting a side hustle. For example, starting a lawn care business or a handyman service can be a low-cost way to get started and generate income quickly. Number 4, be your own boss. Being broke can be frustrating, but one way to take control of your finances is by becoming your own boss. Starting a business allows you to make your own hours, set your own prices, and be in charge of your own destiny. Being an entrepreneur can be a fun and rewarding way to improve your financial situation. Number 5, selling stuff online. Take a look around your house and see what items you don't use or need anymore. You can sell these items on websites like eBay, Amazon, or even Facebook Marketplace. It's a great way to declutter and earn some extra cash. So there you have it. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to starting a successful business, even if you're broke. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot to make more videos like this one. See you soon!